dollar every door finds its way to me with ease. Rich in spirit, rich in peace. My count don't hit decline. What I want is always mine. If it's slow, I still don't trip. My next wave just needs a flip. What I think I become, so I guard my mind. I'm aligned with the truth, divine by design.
Let me show y'all how Nadula sent this wig over, because when I pulled this thing out, baby, guess what? Look, they have the rollers and everything already in this. This is Nadula's 10-inch Salon-Ready, okay? Salon-Ready waves bob. And the whole concept is that the styling process, right? It's basically already done for you. You guys can see. But I'm going to install her with the rollers, you know, without taking the rollers down to the end. I already know what's going to happen, though. So before I get to showing y'all, I'm going to take some clips, right, and just clip in the roller, so that way when I'm installing them, okay, this is gonna hold everything in place. You can use these as well. Now my question is, since we're not supposed to be using any type of lace, spray, glue, none of that, what is actually gonna keep this wig on her head? Because I can see that they did change up the construction on this one. This is their no slip wig 2.0. So inside they have added silicone strips, an elastic strap, and a drawstring to help keep everything secure without adhesive. This one is also a 7x5, so there's still a nice amount of space up top for parting and switching up the style. Between the silicone elastic and the drawstring, Nadula said this wig ain't leaving your head. Before we can actually test this theory, there's one thing I already know that I have to do for me, and that is pretty much get the lace matching my complexion. This type of lace normally doesn't require me to do a whole lot, so usually foundation, like some cream foundation, gets the job done. I'm keeping this prep really simple because the whole point is to see how much work this wig actually requires. The lace looks real good now. Y'all can see the rollers still hanging in there. So let's put her on. These are the mesh caps that I like to wear. You can wear whatever one you want. Nadula actually sends you one if you don't have one. Okay, so our caps on. I'm excited. All right, I'm not gonna tighten up anything till I put it on my head. Amen. Okay, it feels good to the head. I'm gonna have to stick this up here. Wait, let me move the camera up so y'all can see the top of my head. So I'm probably gonna go like this. Let me adjust it, make sure it's straight. Can y'all see my lace? Y'all probably can until I, you know, tighten it up a little bit. But wait, just wait, just wait. I'm gonna go ahead and take the string and just adjust it. Just tighten it. Let me see if this can fit. Oh, okay. This can fit around my ear. I like that. We like that. I don't know if you can see it. You're just going to pull that up and tighten it. Oh, I forgot to adjust the band that was in there. Wait a minute. Okay, so I'm going to adjust this in the back. It's like a bra strap. Just tighten it up. Oh, I like this. It feels good. Yes. Okay, I feel like it helps it stay snug from this way to this way. I don't know how to explain it, but it just like tightens it up from ear to ear, if that makes sense, like a cross. Yeah, I hope I'm making sense. Oh, that felt good. Oh, this is not gonna go nowhere, y'all. This is not gonna go nowhere. Okay, the way this feels, I can't see it going anywhere. So let's come up so y'all can see what I'm seeing. This is what it looks like in front, right? Now, I might just put the band on just to flatten out that lace, you know, from packaging and stuff like that. But, yeah, before we do that, I think I got it too tight. Like, I might have to loosen her up, but I'm going to leave it like that for now. And just put a little bit on the outside of the lace just so it blends more before I put that on. Because, again, just like that. Stay back. Stay back. Let me see. Okay. Okay, if you come up here, you'll see a little bit. But it really worked. That little piece over there, but for the most part, it worked. Look, just being honest, you might have to take a little bit of spray just to make sure like the edges of your lace is laying flat. Okay, y'all see she's fully installed. We have officially made it back to these rollers. Okay, before I take them out though, I want to do one mini test because remember, there is no glue under here. We got our rat tail comb. Y'all know what time it is. We gonna stick it up under here and look at it. Ooh, crazy, right? This comb should not be moving if it's secured. Okay, y'all see this comb sliding here and sliding there, your wig gonna be sliding here and sliding there. But you see, that comb ain't going nowhere. I don't want to shake so hard because I don't want the rollers to come out. But again, if you, let's go ahead and take out the first roller and see what it's giving. Just pull it. Oh, y'all see? Did y'all see that curl? All right, let's do this one. Let's see. Let's see what it do. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so the main event. Okay. I'm scared. Let's go ahead and pull her out. Oh, I don't want to pull my wig up. Oh, hey yo. I don't know if it's supposed. I think it's supposed to go like this. We gonna leave it like that. Okay. Fresh off the rollers. And these are the other curls that are already in the unit. But baby, once we fix it or once this goes the right way, I think we working with something. I think she has potential. First of all, let's just finger detangle before I do that. Let's just do that so we can see what we working with. All right. This hair feel good though. Y'all see the fullness, the bounce, please. Please. I feel like once you do your little finger combs, you pretty much can get a feel of how you gonna want it to be. So this is what the hair looks like straight off of the rollers. Okay, I didn't do anything. Y'all see me finger detangle. I used my Y2 comb and look at all that body, that bounce. This wig is beautiful. Okay, so now that we actually made it through the whole process, I will say that I really like the concept behind this wig because y'all know how sometimes we hear wear and go or salon ready, and somehow that can still turn into us doing a whole hairstyle before we can actually leave the house. But with this one, Nadula said, I got y'all, because you guys saw exactly what it looked like straight out the rollers, and honestly I could have stopped right there. Of course, y'all know me though, I'm gonna always play in the hair a little bit, so I went back in and redefined 2 pieces on each side in the front, not because it needed to be recurled or anything, but just to change the shape a little bit and make it more of my own. And I think that's really what I like about it. You have the convenience of wearing it exactly how it comes, but you're necessarily not stuck with just that one look. And this is just me brushing it out. Y'all see that body, y'all see that bounce. And of course, since we have that 7x5 area up top, I just wanted to quickly play around with a couple different looks, and I tried this little half up, half down moment. And when I say that was a vibe, it was overall. Nadula definitely did deliver on the salon ready concept for me. It's glueless, it felt secure, and most importantly, all the extra styling I did was optional. Let me know what y'all think down below, and I'll have all the wig details in the description section below. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.